So I managed to get my hands on the new Foxpro Gunfire kit. Recently just came into the shop, so I decided to take it out for a test last night, and I am thoroughly amazed with it. It's a 3-mode light, so it's got white, red, and infrared in it. I tested all 3 modes to the best that I can with the equipment that I have. It claims extreme shine distance designed to outperform and outshine all other lights in its class. What I wasn't able to find was any specs on what they tested it to reach out to, so I could compare with what I did to see if I could do better or do worse. But at this point, I'm still amazed about how great this torch is. So just the packaging, we'll get it open. Now it's a very nice case that it comes in as well. Just trying to damage the packaging here. Once again, the Foxpro logo. It's a nice nylon hard shelled case, or hard or soft, however you want to do it. Get that off to the side there. Alright, so now we've got it open. We'll go through all the bits and pieces that are included. A little bit of instructions explaining it all. It's pretty self-explanatory, but go through it. Yeah, I wouldn't mind trying out some of these ones at some stage, but I don't think I'll be able to at this point. We'll start at the back of the zip up in here. Alright, that'll be your scope to light mount. Pretty common thing over all hunting torches. And what else we got here? We got your 12 volt to USB. Now, because it's an American kit, that's the American plug, so you're going to need an adapter for that one, but just run it off 12 volt. Now, comes with 2 18650 cell batteries rated at 3000 milliamp hour. Now, it only uses one at a time though, so that's nice of them to give you a spare. Handheld grip for it, so it looks like it's a plastic Picatinny mount that they've actually got Picatinny to, looks like 25mm ring in there, so you can just hold on the torch like so. Yeah, these are both what are called reflection shields, caps, removable shrouds, so basically if it is on a rifle, you don't get the reflection on your rifle or something like that. Also makes it able to be stand up, because we'll cover that in a minute. Dual charger, very presentable charger with good information instead of like the cheap stuff you usually get. And then we've got your remote switch, very different to all the other ones that we've seen with other torches. So this replaces the one on the rear. And then you've got brightness settings on here. You've got less brightness, more brightness, your on-off switch. Obviously you can't control what colour lighting comes out of it with it, but and we'll pull the torch out. Underneath here we've got your lanyard as well. That's everything. So everything's cut to shape, nice hard sturdy foam there. Everywhere, everything has a home. Now the torch itself. Now this is a removable shroud. This piece here is what actually holds the lens in, so make sure you don't unscrew that one. So I'll unscrew the shroud off there, just like that. So you've got 2 shrouds on there. As you can see, it's what's the word? Convex? I don't know the word for that one, but yeah, it's got a nice magnifier in there to start off with. Presents as a nice short torch. You get 2 of your shroud covers there. As I said, don't unscrew this one, otherwise your lens is going to fall out there. Now it's got awesome set of zoom on here. It's not like a full flood to full spot. I mean, it is a deadly spot, but doesn't have that full flood range. This is currently set to infrared, white light, red light. On the back here, simple on-off switch, but it's a rotary switch as well, which will set your brightness as well. So we'll get this one out here. One of these batteries in. Hopefully she's charged, because I haven't charged any of these. Oh, we set the infrared, so that's your white light. This is just me going for a focus. That's me turning the power up, back down. So yeah, it's got a pretty good spot on it. It's a phenomenal spot. That's your red mode. Once again, your brightness changed in there, your focus changed there. Then with your shroud on there. Very similar spot. Now the only one I can't show you is infrared. But that's the look at the torch in a nutshell. Now, I don't want that rolling away. Now, yeah, I went out and tested it last night. My usual testing spot, which goes out to 400 metres. And it completely smashed it out of the park on the white light and the red light. So I had to go for a bit of a drive to find some nice stretches. So I started testing it at 500 metre intervals. And then, yeah, I was thoroughly amazed. So basically, I managed to see a water tower 1.5 k's away with the white light on this torch. The red light got out to about 500 metres, but after that, my naked eye, I'm not using a scope, mind you, my naked eye couldn't see the water tower with the red, but chances are, the second person there, they potentially could have seen it. Now, the only one that I couldn't test real well was going to be the infrared. Now, I don't have any night vision gear on me at the present, so I basically went outside with it, shined it round and looked at my CCTV at night, and I got an easy 200 metres out of it. So, and I'm talking real easy 200 metres. So I'm going to hazard a guess it's going to push considerably far as well. Yeah, I'm absolutely amazed with this torch. I do highly recommend it, whether you're going to bolt it on a gun or a handheld. Yeah, I've just lost for words how amazed I am at this torch. It's probably one of the better ones that I've tested ever. It might be one of my kits soon. But yeah, hopefully this quick overview has been not too bad for you. As I said, I can't record it as I'm shining a torch because, well, I use my phone to record this shit, so it's very hard to get a good illustration of how well it works, but yeah, you'll just have to take my word and test one out for yourself, or come into the shop and check it out.